In this demonstration, what we're going to do is we're going to do a triangle construction, and the method we're going to be using for this particular demonstration is the side-side-side triangle congruence construction. So we've begun here with an arbitrary triangle labeled ABC. We're going to begin by drawing a very long ray and labeling the leftmost point X. At this point, what we need to do is we need to bring in our compass so that we can begin copying the distances down. So this particular construction may be very similar to the segment congruence construction that we've done before. As you can see, what we're doing now is we're actually just copying the distance from A to C with the compass, and once we've got that set, we'll use X as a stop point and then swing an arc. And now what we've done is we've created an intersection point of that long ray with that line that we drew, and we'll label that point Y. So now we know that AC is congruent to XY. So we've already got one side of the triangle dealt with as congruent. And at this point now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the distance from A to B. So there we're setting the compass from A to B, and some of your compasses may cooperate a little bit better than mine did. And now we're going to swing a very large arc. Now the nice thing about this is that any point on that arc is going to be congruent to AB with point X as one of the endpoints. So now all we have to do is copy the distance from B to C, and we'll use Y as a stop point and swing another arc, and any point on that arc with Y will be congruent to BC. And so their intersection point provides the spot where the two lines of the triangle should intersect. So now we know that XZ is going to be congruent to AB, and that YZ is going to be congruent to CB. So there are our two congruent triangles. This is by the side-side-side method, because all we did was copy the three sides from one triangle to another. Now be very careful on your triangle congruent statement that you line up the sides that are actually corresponding. It's not XY that corresponds to AB, it's XZ. So there's my congruent statement. And there we are.